Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mike the Truck Nut. So, if you saw part one, you'll know that there's frost on the ground. Hasn't snowed yet. That's a good thing. But look what is here. There's too much cool old stuff to show you to not come take a look. Yeah, these, I mean, you might be able to get around over there, but some old K-Wopplers in the same place where the 359 is at, in an undisclosed hidden location. Do not come here without permission, or else you might be shot. I mean, yeah, probably not, but maybe. I at least have permission. But look, oh, look at that. Look at that. So that's old. I don't know. I don't know which one to look at first. Ooh, it's cold down here. Sorry, am I being a bit of a wuss?
Okay, I was giving up because it was cold.
This is kind of like our old one.
Yeah.
Oh, we should have kept that truck, I guess. Well,
No, it was too far gone.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Crooked Kenworth. This is like a 60 6Ds fiberglass hood. Wow, the grass is really tall here. Oh, that's cool. Oh boy, that's a project though. I think the steel cabs on these ones are actually in better shape than the 359 steel cab.
Probably.
But I wonder if it's because there's more steel, or what the heck is that? Like, oh, I guess that's because it was probably a plow truck, because it's got some stuff there. It's got an auxiliary. It does. Is the hood open? Not easily. Somebody broke all the headlights out. Rotten little punks. Rotten little punks. Oh my gosh. Look at those tires. Those are luggy. Oh gosh. Yeah, headliner. Headliner's down.
Those door handles?
Yeah.
We used to roll the window down and reach out and open the door with the outside handle, because if you notice where the inside handle is, it's really uncomfortable trying to open the door with the inside handle.
Oh yeah.
So we used to just roll the window down and open it from outside.
That makes sense. Oh gosh, these are some tired old girls. That door is rusted open.
This one's the best one.
Yeah. The tanker almost looks, I was gonna say, it almost looks like a fiberglass roof on it.
It might be. But see, that's got the old, this one's got the older door handles than that one. That one's got newer door handles on it.
Oh yeah. Unless these doors are...
Well, I mean, they may have been changed at one time, but like this has also got a wider hood.
Got a funky heat shield.
Yeah.
Was that normal back in the day?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. This is the battery box. When I was hauling out of actually Garibaldi, Like there's supposed to be another clip like this on here.
Yep.
And every night I'd fuel up and I'd walk around, the clip was off. But I used to come into one corner and I used to cut so tight to the no post, I used to knock the
rubber handle
handle off. And I couldn't figure out why. We used to go.
You know you're close to the no post when you're popping your rubber handle off.
Because this is a battery box.
Yeah. That's funny. Oh, back of the cab of this one is the worst one though. Oh, and it's got the roll-up window. That'd be why.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but it's got a rolly-up window, a rolly-down window. But I wonder if I can open the hood on this one. Oh yeah.
See, it's got an aluminum hood, which it's just got a small engine.
Just got a little fella.
What the heck
There's
is
the VIN tag. Built in Vancouver, British Columbia. Canadian Kenworth, baby. Got the Canadian air intakes. It's got a, I guess that's a cat, but just a little fella. I mean, it's white.
But it's not an A model.
There's a fuel pump right there.
Yeah. It's some oddball thing.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
Definitely.
Got a yellow turbo, so maybe it's a small cat.
Yeah. Let this. Oops.
You pull that side down, this side comes up.
Maybe I'll just leave that alone. Well, and this one's got fiberglass fenders.
Yeah. I remember when they first came out.
Those are neat lights too. Those are like the OG watermelon markers,
Yeah.
I think. Well, I wonder if this would be, yeah, it's definitely a fiberglass roof looking at that air horn, but it's obviously some kind of budget version or like a medium duty. Oh my gosh.
Well, it's just,
Or the doors have been changed, or
that's highly possible.
there's a headliner. Hello. Oh, here we go. Here's the tag. There's the transmission. It's got a 4-4, and it's an LW. Maximum speed 50. What's that noise?
Where's your hand? Rubbing the thing.
Well, it almost sounds like the tachograph is ticking. I'm serious, listen. Okay, that creasing me out a little bit. But chassis number 16428, gross weight 50,000 pounds. Serial number 83612. Yeah, it's totally ticking. Doesn't have an air ride seat.
Yeah, that's an air ride seat. That's a Kenworth seat.
Oh, okay, there's the airbag. I gotta. Okay, yeah. Deep breath. There's the tachograph. It stopped ticking. Fans. Yeah, there's a roll down window. Yeah. You know, yeah, this one's definitely the best one.
Oh, yeah.
But I thought it would tell you what year it was.
Well, when I worked for Burritt's, they ordered 2 new trucks, And the serial numbers was 82 123 and 82 124. And that's 6 something.
83.6.
Is it 83?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's newer than the ones that Burritt had, because they were 82 123.
But what years were they?
I can't remember. There were 60s, like early 60s.
At least I'm positive that's not a steel roof. But, well, of course you never know. Maybe it had body work done, or I don't know. I mean,
Well, it's obviously different. It's got the old style doors anyway. So I mean,
well, and even the door frame, because the latch is there.
Yeah.
So with the old style doors, it's got to be.
They probably changed the cab at one point, maybe. Well, maybe not.
But when was the first? I don't know, guys. When was the first fiberglass fender LW fiberglass roof Canadian Kenworth? I don't know.
When Burritt's got the first one with the fiberglass fenders, we were up here hauling logs, so that would have been 66, 67. And the new truck that came had fiberglass fenders, and it was something really new. All the rest of us had the old style.
Okay, so this is probably a 66 or a 67 or something, that vintage.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think these are all 60s. They all are crooked Kenworths. And yeah, a little piece of history sitting out here in the sand pit in the back of, yeah. What do you think? Should a guy get another truck? No. But what do you think of them? Let me know. Bleep bloop it down in the comments. We got some 1960 Kenworths. What year do you think that sucker was born? I need your help. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.
It could have had the fenders changed too.
Yeah, but it's got a fiberglass roof.
Yeah.
And fiberglass fenders. The doors don't look like they've been changed from the cab. It's cold out here. Yeah, supposed to, what day is it today? It's Tuesday. It's supposed to snow on Thursday.
Halloween.
All right, it's Halloween. Oh, it's Halloween and the tachograph was ticking on its own. It's nothing to worry about. Ooh. Ooh.
This is all the Smith off the bridge.
Yeah.